Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Just want to do a quick video and throw out some, I'm filming at home, please excuse background noise. I got plane, kid, dog, neighbor, what are you going to do? Anyway, I want to throw a healing energy and some positive vibes out for our brother Bill Melton, who's currently in the hospital and not feeling very well. I made a community post about it just the other day, but yesterday I think it was. He posted a video from his hospital room. He looked pretty tired, so, you know, since I can't afford to just jump on a plane and go visit him and, you know, give him some well wishes, the best way I can do it is by turning on the camera. So head over to his channel if you would. Look for his latest video. Just to give him some healing energy. You know, a little community for our brother. And I appreciate it, and I thank you for watching.